Hi everyone, welcome to Korean Express YouTube channel. So here is the part 6 of our video series in which we are learning food related terms in Korean language. If you have not watched the first 5 parts yet, you can go and watch them on Korean Express YouTube channel. So let's start with the 6th part. Here comes the Korean word for salt, and that is 소금. 소금. Now let's see the Korean word for cheese, and that is 치즈. 치즈. Next comes the Korean word for grapefruit, and that is 자몽. 자몽. Now let's see how to say sugar in Korean language, and that is 설탕. 설탕. Now comes the Korean word for rice, and that is 밥. 밥. Rice is the staple food of South Korea. Okay? Now comes the Korean word for tofu, and that is 두부. 두부. Next comes the Korean word for parsley, and that is parsley. Parsley. Next is the Korean word for bread, and that is 빵. 빵. Now let's see how to say honey in Korean language, and that is 꿀. 꿀. Next is the Korean word for butter, and that is 버터. 버터. So today we learned 10 very important food related terms in Korean language. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe Korean Express YouTube channel. Thank you.